Video 7.2 Services Lifecycle in Azure. In this video, we will cover the following topics: an overview of the Azure Services Lifecycle, what is a service preview, features of private versus public previews, general availability of Azure services, feature updates of Azure services. All the services in Azure have a life cycle. The first phase of the services is the development phase. Next is a preview. After that, the public testing phase. And finally, the service becomes available to everyone. This life cycle of all the services is known as the services life cycle in Azure. We cannot use the service in the development phase, but you can use the services in other phases. We know that the word preview means having an opportunity to view something before it is made available. After the development phase, all the services, products, etc. will move to the preview phase. The preview feature is made available by Microsoft for the evaluation of the Azure products and services. The preview features aren't complete, yet they are made available to test the beta or pre-release services, products, and you can also give your reviews about those services that can help Microsoft improve the Azure services. You can access the preview portal by searching for preview.portal.azure.com and sign in to your Azure account. It looks mostly like the Azure portal, but here you can see that it shows preview. Azure preview features have their own terms and conditions. These terms and conditions are specific to each of the preview services. It is important to know that you cannot define your workloads permanently using any preview features. You can use them for testing only. There are two categories of preview services available. Private preview. These services can only be used by certain Azure customers. Public preview. These services can be used by all Azure customers. After the testing and evaluation of the service are completed, the service will be available for customers in the Azure portal. A service released to all Azure customers typically goes to general availability or GA. A service with GA is supported by SLAs and is feasible for production workloads. The service will also be charged depending on your usage and your subscription tier. Azure Cloud Services are grouped into three categories depending on when the service will be available. Foundational. A service that is available in all regions immediately or within 12 months of general availability. Mainstream. A service that is available in all recommended regions immediately or within 12 months of general availability, or may become available in alternate regions based on customer demand. Specialized. A service that is available in recommended or alternate regions based on customer demand. Azure Cloud will be making changes to their products and services all the time. How will you know about all those feature updates made in Azure? Search for Azure Updates on Google and select the first link. You will be redirected to the Azure Updates page. Here you can subscribe to an RSS feed to get the notifications about the updates. You can check the services or features that are available or in preview or in development. You can also search for specific updates by entering the keywords in this box. To filter the updates, you can select the category, an update type, and click Filter Results to get the information about the filtered updates. You can read the Azure blog, provide feedback, and also check your product availability in your regions. This brings us to the end of this video. In summary, in this video, we have covered the following topics: an overview of the Azure Services Lifecycle, what is a service preview, features of private versus public previews, general availability of Azure services, feature updates of Azure services. In the next video, we will cover the Azure pricing calculators.